Yes, next topic, review tab. There, tracer, how to use the tracer and how to use the word count, and comments, how to give the comments and how to delete the comments also in MS Word. Steps. Review tab, there selected first tracer, how to use the tracer in MS Word. In MS Word, this is the MS Word document. I am taking some paragraphs. This is the review menu, the tracer, how to use it. Before tracer, clicking before, one word is selected here. First word selected. It means tracer means meaning. Any word meaning. So many meanings are displayed in the another dialog box. Useful meanings are used the document. First, I am selected insert word is selected. I am click review, there click tracer. See here right side one, research menu is research document is displayed here. It means you are clicking name also displayed automatically. Here you all are meanings of the insert. You have these all are meanings. So many meanings are displayed here. Add, include, enclose, append, incorporate. It means insert means these are all meanings. Okay, I am selected another one, building. Again review, there selected tracer. See here, say search for name is building. I'm selected what selecting word is there. It automatically comes to a building meanings. What is that? House, shop, production, constructing, making, manufacturing. These are all meanings of the building. Again check it. Another one selected. Again review, the tracer. See here right side box, easily means definitely, okay, rarely, by far, by long shot. This means a tracer. It means a tracer. So many meanings are displayed in the another dialog box. Using that, take on that, using that. This is called a tracing. Tracing means more than meanings are displayed. How to close it in tracer? Close button is there in right side. Close it. Next one, tracer after. See word count. What is the word count in review menu? Again, word count means I am selected one word. Okay, clicking same review, word count. Word count means see here which page number, words, characters, no spacing character with spacing character, and paragraph lines. You have the first line selected. Select the word is the first line. Pages, one page only. Words, one word only. Character, no space is 2, with space is 2. Paragraph, no, you are not select the paragraph, so 0 displayed. See another one, diagrams. Again click word count. See here pages 1, words 1, character no spacing, how many is there? 9. Character with spacing, how many is there? 9. Paragraph of 0, how many? 0. Paragraph only 1. Paragraph not selected there, that's why not displayed on the number. Line, with one line only. This is called a word count. What is this? Word count. The next one is review new comments. What is that? New comments. New comments after comments given after how to delete it. See again into the MS Word, there new comments in this one. I am selected another one, formatting I am selected. I give some new comment in review tab. Add the comment about the section. New comment. Formatting. This is type of displaying here. Comment slide is separately come. Here I am comment. Formatting means what? Text modification. What is that? Text modification. Okay. See here. Text modification. Okay. Next another one I am taking. Quick style. Again click new comment. Quick style means this is one font style is correct. See here, this is one font style. Again another one and again header. I'm selecting header. Again give to new comment. I'm typing someone. I'm not it. Now how to delete and the explain. Before one explain what is that preview and next. Preview and next. And go to the first comment. They're clicking on that. Next means another one. What is that? Quick style. If cursor moves to the next comment, again click next. Again header. There comes to the next. Next comments to cursor moving. Another one previous. Previous means what is the previous comment on you. See here, quick style. Again previous. Formatting. Next one, how to delete it. See here, delete. Press only one comment only delete it. Remaining is there. How to delete all comments. Cursor moving on there. Click delete and delete all comments in document. Delete it. This is called a tracer word count and new comments deleted and previous comments how to see, next comments so how to go. These are all explained. Thank you. Please subscribe my video.